Spray a little bit of oil in there, give it a little sheen and luster, and you are good to go. So yeah.
Hey guys, NaturallyNellzy here today, and we are going to talk about this gorgeous unit from Cexxy Just giving you guys a close-up shot so you can see the texture and what we're working with here. This unit is gorgeous. I literally could not keep my hands off of it. It is so nice, but we're going to get into the whole styling. So today we're going to try a new method, and this is known as the freeze spray blasting method. I've never tried it before, but I am prepping hair. You want to make sure that you get some alcohol to wipe off any excess, and then you want to get to spraying. So with this one, I had to use like about 2 to 3 different layers of my hair, and don't use a blow dryer. It's better if you just use like a paper or something just to fan your head, because when I was doing it before, it was not working out. But after like the 2nd to 3rd layer, that's when I was able to actually put the wig on. If you do notice that certain spots aren't staying down, all you have to do is just put a little bit on your finger or on your little brush, whatever you're using to keep it down. And all you have to do from there is just slightly tap it down and it will stay. Now once I was finished with this part, I was moving on to the hairline. With this wig, I really did not have to pluck anything in the hairline, so I was very fortunate. And as you guys can see, all I'm doing is just clipping some excess baby hairs. I love wigs that do not require a lot of maintenance, and this was where it was at. Once I have my baby hairs in order, I'm just going to use the black Got2bB gel, and I'm just going to create that little swoop action. And now we're going to move on to making bangs. And then from there, I just went in with the parting space just to make it look a little bit more natural. And then after that, I decided to go in with a little bit of pressed powder, and it definitely does help it to look more natural. And that was all I really had to do.
Alright guys, so I am back with the final results on this unit, and I have to say it is absolutely gorgeous. I am actually very impressed that the method that I used worked as well. It's not something that you're going to be able to get like a whole, 5 days out of sleep and everything. The process with getting the wig to stay down really wasn't that bad. It's much better than the Got2bB glue. I also feel like it's a lot safer than using the gel as well. And it is something that does cut down your wig time, so I'm definitely happy I was able to test it out with this unit. The curls on this unit are gorgeous. It's one of those textures where the more you comb through it, it gets a lot bigger. The texture in the hair feels very nice as well. When I first got the wig, I was a little skeptical because it did smell like it had a chemical process, kind of smell to it. But after washing it and styling and prepping it, everything is good. It's very full. This wig does have a high density, but I like the fact that it is a very full wig, but it doesn't look too wiggy where it's just too bulky. I'm not getting that vibe at all with this wig, so it's very nice hair. I haven't really experienced any shedding as well, and as far as with tangles, it's a curly unit, so you already know. Any girl with curl is gonna experience some type of tangles. If you do use a leave-in or like a conditioner water mix like I usually like to, it definitely will help the curls. Spray a little bit of oil in there, give it a little sheen and luster, and you are good to go. So yes, I'm loving this unit. If you guys want to see more information on this unit, I will have it listed down below. And if you would like to see more pictures on how I style it, be sure to follow my Instagram page. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this unit here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.